Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, I've had another sock fail on me. I will not be buying any more Hanes. The last time I had a failed sock, I Ferro Rod ignited it and showed you that it would ignite wet wood. Well, it has just stopped raining. We have some more wet wood in the yard. Just imagine how hot this would burn if we add a blob of Vaseline. Let's get started. And I am purposely going to underprocess the wood so you can see just how hot this fire starter burns. I think this is some water oak. This is some dogwood. This is some water oak. All right, that is going to be quite the challenge. As much moisture as there is in there and no internal wood exposed. Let's give it a try. That's about a heaping tablespoon. And you want to ignite the hole in the sock where all those frayed edges are at. I had to wipe that Vaseline off my fingers. Can't believe it's not firing up. Here are some good frayed edges. Let's try those again. What do you think? We'll watch it burn on regular speed for a minute or so, and then we'll go to time lapse. It's looking pretty good. I took these top layer that was running across here and just set them down inside of the log cabin. So I think it's dry and burning on its own. Let's see how much burn we can get before it actually collapses. Everybody's always asking me, what have you got for a tabletop? I'm not sure what gauge metal this is, so I just tell everybody it's like 1/8 inch plate. And then the frame of it is built with some scrap 2x6s that were on their way to the dump. You can search my channel for fire table and find the 2 videos where I built this. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one wheel. Catch you on the next one.